For the next few days, we'll be taking time to explore this mountain pass between the cities of Bovec and Kranjska Gorka. Situated in the Julian Alps, there's just about everything here for the intrepid vanlifer to want to see. Most notable here in Triglav Park is the clarity of the water and the amount of amazing waterfalls. Pericnik waterfall is actually a series of 2 cascading falls. The lower one here is much more impressive.
Yeah, I didn't bring my rain jacket. I've made that mistake a few times.
We didn't have to go out of our way to see these amazing places.